how we did this. I love the only way to die alone.
Good night.
Good night.
I want to talk to Tuco, and I'm not leaving until I do. I don't imagine I'll be here very long. No? One.
Pounds a week, 35,000 a pound.
Without even talking to me, you told this insane ass clown, dead-eyed killer that we would give him 2 pounds a week.
Now we'll just scale up our operation. We'll add a few more hours.
Don't talk to me about hours. What about pseudo, man? How are we gonna get that? You think the meth fairy's just gonna bring it to us? God, it takes me a week to get this stuff.